Okay, so for today, try nating mag-solve ng isang problem about induction motors. So, meron tayong problem dito na a 4-pole, 50-cycle, 3-phase induction motor has a black rotor reactance per phase that is 4 times the rotor resistance per phase. At what speed will the motor develop maximum torque? Okay, so ngayon meron tayong given dito na parameters ng induction motor, no? So, 4-pole, 50 cycles, ibig sabihin 50 Hz siya. So, meron siyang black rotor reactance daw per phase na 4 times nung rotor resistance per phase. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung speed na kung saan makakapag-develop siya ng maximum torque. Okay. So, siguro try nating i-represent to, no? Black rotor reactance per phase. So, meron tayong X BR, so reactance na black rotor per phase siya is equal to 4 times the resistance per phase. So XBR is equal to 4R. Okay. So for maximum torque kasi meron tayong equation ng resistance and reactance in relation to the slip, yung slip ng rotor natin na R is equal to SXBR. So, ito is at max torque. So, nangyayari to at maximum torque. So, R is equal to SXBR. Wherein yung S natin, yun yung slip. Okay? So, kung titignan natin, meron tayong relationship ng XBR and R. So, kung i-substitute natin to, makakakuha tayo ng value for S or yung slip natin. So, XBR is equal to 4R. So, R is equal to S times 4R. So, cancel. 1 is equal to S, 4S. So, S is equal to 1 over 4 or simply 0.25 yung slip natin. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung speed ng rotor natin. So, for induction motors, meron tayong formula na N, R is equal to NS. Ito yung synchronous speed natin times 1 minus S. Itong synchronous speed natin, nakukuha natin to using yung number of poles natin and yung frequency. So, NS is equal to 120F over P. So, frequency and number of poles, NS. Times 1 minus S. So, NR is equal to 120 times 50 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 minus 0.25 na slip. So, NR natin, solving for NR, (120 times 50 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 minus 0.25. So, ang sagot natin is 1125. And ito ay RPM. Okay. So, for this problem, ang sagot natin is letter C. 1,125 revolutions per minute. Okay. So, with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. God bless guys. See you sa next videos natin.